So this video is going to show you how to do your final save and export your JPEG. So let's say you have a whole bunch of solutions, different color palettes, as well as different applications of each color to using that same color palette. So if you look at these two, the pink and purple version, you kind of got to decide, okay, so which one is better? Do you feel like this one, maybe the Futura stands out, there's better contrast? So you kind of have to make some decisions about hierarchy and which one's going to be the best one to turn in. Once you decide, let's say I'm going to make this green one my final, you're going to need to click and drag and select everything that's on the current artboard if it's not on it already, and move the green on, because whatever is being saved as your final file will be whatever's on this white artboard, okay? So all of this stuff out here in the gray area won't get saved to the file. It's whatever's on the artboard. So kind of think of this as an extra sketchbook, all the gray area. So the green is what's going to be saved. So you do File, Export, and you have to do Export, not File Save As, to save it as an image. So anytime you want to save an image from Illustrator, you have to do Export. Save the name as your, save the file as your name, typography, and then put it in your documents in a place that's a place that you can remember where it's at. And let's see, and hit export. Okay, here it's going to bring up a JPEG options box, and you want the quality to be high. And then this is really important. You need to have this set at 300 and then say OK. If you have it at 72 or lower than 300, it's going to look pixelated because it's fewer dots per inch. I want to show you something though that's also very important. Export. Right down here, after you've selected your file, there's this little checkbox that says Use Artboards. Make sure that's checked. If you don't have that checked, it's going to save everything out here in all the sketchboard as part of the file. And I'm only grading your one best solution. So you need to export using the artboards with your name to a place that you know is where it's going to be, and hit export 10, 300 DPI, OK. And then I'll show you what the actual file looks like. There's one. Here's another. Okay. So I did save one already that had the purple version on the artboard, and this one's got the green version. This is the file that you're going to upload to Canvas.